everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the light cover or the entire light fixture in your Green Mountain Grill Prime. If you're just replacing the light cover, all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. Using a flathead, you can go to the side of the fixture here, the light cover, and just pry it up. Now with your new cover, you'll just pop it right back into place. So to replace the entire light fixture, you're going to need a 7mm socket wrench, and you're going to need a 10mm wrench or the T-handle tool that came with the grill. And also you're going to want a bucket to dump the pellets into and to set the hopper onto. First thing you want to do is unplug the grill. Next, we're going to empty the hopper of all pellets. Grab your bucket, undo your pellet dump door. Next, we'll move on to removing the pellet hopper. We'll just remove the 4 bolts, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Next, you're going to want to disconnect the wires for this light fixture. If you follow the wires coming from here, they'll lead to these quick green disconnect points. You can just pull them apart right here. After disconnecting the wires for the light fixture, you can now move on to removing the 2 7mm screws that hold the fixture in place. After removing those, you can now pull the light fixtures out with the wires attached with it. Just help feed the wires through to make it easy. It'll come right out. The first thing you want to do with the new light fixture is remove the cover for it. Then the next thing after that is you're going to want to feed the wires back through where they came out. Pull it all the way through. Quick disconnect points again. There's no polarity to those, so just plug them in. Not too tight with these screws. Just needs to be just a little past hand tight. And then just pop your cover back on. Now that the fixture is installed, we can put the hopper box back on. Don't forget your pellet dump door. Then just fill your hopper back up with the pellets. Next, plug the grill back in, turn the switch on, and make sure that it works.